Yeah! Yeah, bike show! So here we are, we're over in the Ducati tent. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the difference between the Ducati tent and the locations where the rest of us peasants have to live. So so here's the lounging area. So we have some nice photography. All of course is related to the XDiavel. We have a mystery man. We have the mystery Drac sitting in his chair over here.
Yeah, I saw you blurred my face on last time. I think I look much better here edited.
Yeah, I think I can see that. I think I look a lot better with my face blurred too. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Ooh, that sounded good. Yeah, dude, where the hell are we? Hey, this is supposed to be low speed excitement, gentlemen. Low speed excitement. I don't give a shit. I do what I want. Hey, Drac, your blinker's on. Your blinker's on. Noob. That's a detour? That doesn't look like a detour to me. Where the hell are we? This is gonna be its own episode right here. We take a demo ride and we get lost in Glendale. So the Ducati XDiavel ride was really good, except it went really late. We ran into a problem with a rider who stalled the bike out, delayed the entire group, and then a bunch of construction got us all turned around and screwed up. So we were on that ride for almost an hour, and then we missed the 10 o'clock with Suzuki, so we're just kind of hanging out right now to see if we can catch anything at all to 10:15, and if not, we're just going to take our chances somewhere else. So we're going to stick around and see what we can ride. All right, what do you think, Clayton?
God help me.
God help you. And so today I'm going to be I'm really going to be talking about the Suzuki Hayabusa from the perspective of having the first ride with the ZX14.
Cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
All right, so So we're on our way out. Basically did one lap of the show. Now, not a lot of super exciting stuff to see. Unfortunately, they're missing manufacturers like Yamaha's not here. Honda's got a very small presence. In fact, there would be no Honda if no AZ hadn't brought out bikes. There's a very small KTM presence. So, sorry guys, not a really great show this year. So, we're gonna go get some lunch and maybe ride some more bikes. But thank you very much, guys, for checking the video out today. So this has been the 2016 Progressive International Motorcycle Show from Phoenix. We'll see you out there.